If you wish to transform your content reel generation process with AI images, with AI content, and you want to simplify making one video multiple times, let's say you have one idea that you want to transform into multiple ideas, well, with ContentReels AI, you can do all that and more. Welcome to Software Safari. My name is Toby and I'll be taking you through ContentReels AI and all that it offers you. When you log in with your email and your password, you're presented with the dashboard. On the dashboard, you can choose to create your campaign, you can view your campaigns, and you can also take a look at the integrations. You can take a look at a brief walkthrough video that introduces you to ContentReels AI and all the elements of the software. You can see your recent campaigns, and you can see more information about ContentReels AI. You can take a look at your campaigns, and you can see that we've created one campaign. You can take a look at your integrations, and you can integrate ContentReels AI with Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Sphere, and so much more. When you do this, you can schedule posts ahead of time, and ContentReels AI will post it when the schedule time comes up. We will create one campaign, create a new campaign. You can include a name for that campaign. First, you have to include the video set to decide what type of videos you want to create for this first set of videos. Let's call them inspirational videos. Then we pick specific keywords that we want to be mentioned in those videos. So we can pick never give up. We can pick try again, as many as we want. Now we choose the number of videos that we want. We can choose as many as we want, but for this video, we'll pick just 3. We can choose the platform that we intend for this video to be. So ContentReels AI will decide what type of video and what structure it should give it based on what you decide. So let's pick a LinkedIn Square video. We can include a call to action, and in the call to action, we can decide what text we want to include in that video at every point. So we can include trust us, and we can also choose where we want the text to be. We can include a talking head to our video. All we have to do is upload an image of a talking head, include if we want the image to move and to have lip movement. We can include the shape of the video. We can include the position we want that talking head to be. And we can also include the coverage for the talking head. As you can see, we will not include the talking head in this video. We can choose to clone our own voice or clone a sample of a voice that we've used before. We can also make use of voices that we've uploaded previously. But for this one, we'll use AI generated voices. When we're satisfied with all of these, you can simply submit. When you click on submit, you get a prompt that is generating your script. And it takes it's time to generate your script. And as it generates your script, it generates the number of scripts that you requested for. And in our case, we asked for 2 scripts, and it will do just that. While it's generating, you can move on to create a new video set. We can create Instagram videos about lifestyle. We can choose a specific keyword, number of videos, the platform, we can include a call to action, a talking head, or a voice clone. When we're satisfied, we can simply submit. As you can see, the LinkedIn inspirational videos script has already been generated. So we simply click on it, and we can see that the 3 scripts have been created. All we have to do is to approve those scripts. So let's take a look at the first one. When we take a look at it, we can choose to review or rewrite the video script. So it's a good idea to read through and make any changes that you want to make. Let's say there's something that's inaccurate or something that you're not really okay with. You can also edit the script to reduce the length. And when you're satisfied, you can save the script, or you can directly convert it to video. And when you do that, a number of slides begin to be generated by ContentReels AI for you. Next, you can choose to take a look at other scripts while that is slides there are being generated. And as you can see, this is a totally different script. So you can read through, edit it if you'd like, or convert to video. And we'll do the same for the third. You can edit, and if we're okay, you convert it to video. So it might take a while for the slides to generate, and you simply just have to wait. And while that is going on, we'll take a look at another project that we've already created. So we can take a look at other campaigns and view this. We can see we've created other YouTube shorts and Facebook video ads. So we can take a look at this video that has been published, that has been created. You can see these are slides and these are videos that are being generated. So we can edit a video that has already been created from a previous script. And this is how it looks. From here, we can make changes. We can make changes to our video based on that specific slide. You can see the script, and we can also see the video slide related to that script. We can add or edit the text. We can add or edit the background, the media, the voiceover, the talking head. We can edit the music, the transition, animation, templates, and we can also take a look at settings. And when we are done and satisfied with that, we simply render our video. And since we've already done that, we'll be going back. And now that we've gone back, we can simply choose to edit that video. We can download it, and we can choose to publish it to whichever social media platform that we've already connected to ContentReels AI. We can choose to schedule the video. We can choose to delete it. Preview that video. And we can watch a preview of the video that we just created. When we press play, you can see it's quite a lengthy video, but it was all created on ContentReels AI.
Think about the challenges you've faced, the times you've wanted to give up. Now, think about the times you've overcome those challenges, the times you've...
So as you can see, ContentReels AI is a very useful tool for you to use. A link to ContentReels AI is in the description of this video. We're welcome to receive questions or clarifications you may have or you may need from ContentReels AI. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product reviews. See you in the next one. Goodbye.